To fix a Ryobi lawnmower that won't start, it's essential to identify the common causes of the issue. Poor battery connection or dirty contacts, a jammed blade, or a full grass bag are typical reasons why a lawnmower may not start. To resolve the problem, start by cleaning the battery contacts and connecting them properly. This involves disconnecting the battery from the mower, checking the terminal contacts on both the battery and the mower, and cleaning the contacts with a dry rag if they are dirty. Once the contacts are clean, reconnect the battery to the mower, ensuring full contact at the terminals. Next, clear any obstructions that may be jamming the blade. To do this safely, ensure the mower is off and the safety key is unmounted. Then, assess the blade to see if it is obstructed with debris, grass clippings, or foreign materials, and clear the blade carefully with a blower, brush, or a rug if necessary. After clearing the blade, check to see if it spins freely. Additionally, empty the grass bag attachment, as an overfilled bag can overwork the mower's motor and prevent it from starting. To empty the bag, detach it from the mower, empty its contents, and then mount it back. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix your Ryobi lawnmower and get it running again.